But presumably, with that desire for speed and desire for the next iteration and the next iteration comes its own risks.
Sure, I think there's always risks involved with investing in new technologies. But time and time again, we've seen that those who invest early and get the biggest competitive advantage. You look at e-commerce, mobile, cloud, the first movers always get the outsized rewards in these situations. We are entering in probably the biggest wave of digital transformation we'll ever see as we move into spatial computing, the metaverse, and the moment to invest, the moment for AR is really right now. If you want that competitive advantage, this is the moment for AR.
Okay, so we've talked about the training, which makes perfect sense, particularly as you said, post-pandemic. You know, every economy in the world has got a real people problem and a training problem. Makes perfect sense. Healthcare, really exciting. It can completely see that. What do you think will be next in the next couple of years?
We're seeing a whole bunch of things come in. So you think about the visualization of 3D data. So architectural engineering will be, as you can pre-visualize entire spaces. So imagine being able to take a client through the redesign of a skyscraper with never having built anything. You can see it all laid out in front of you, walk around it, and it reduces the amount of times you have to rework and the delays it takes to actually get a design finalized. I think construction and engineering is huge. There's the ability to upload. So many municipalities, cities have all the data of where everything is buried, every sewer line, every water line, every power line, every gas line. And when you go to develop a huge parcel of land, you need to see where all of that is. And typically you call in a surveyor and they have to mark it down, and then you have to carefully navigate that with equipment so you don't disrupt any of the infrastructure. With Magic Leap, you could slip it on, and the operator has X-ray vision into the ground. They can see all of that in front of them in real time, and there's no need for all that extra work or having to make sure you're maintaining this grid. It's just there for you persistently all the time. So we'll see more and more of those types of use cases that really tap into that 3D data.